Ankita. I am from Pattan. Recently, I have completed my BSc at SB College. Today, I feel very happy because I have completed my 3 month spoken English course. Also, I feel sad because I will miss you. I will miss this class. I will miss sir. And now I can speak English, fluent English. I can communicate with the people. I can understand English because of I attending this class. 3 months ago I came spoken English class, Republic spoken English class. I met sir, and I told to sir, I want to speak English, I want to improve my English. So sir replied me, don't worry, I will improve your English, I will teach you English. You will get fluent in English. So now I can speak English. In 3 months, I used to come to class daily. I used to practice lot, and whatever sir taught me, I practiced when I went home, and I practiced that whatever sir taught me in class. In class also I practice with my friends, my classmates. And sir gave me topics daily, one topic. I prepared that and I spoke about that. Before I hesitate to came here. Now I can come to stage and speak fluently. One day sir told me, Ankita, come here and introduce yourself. I got confused, what I can speak, what how can I speak. I didn't speak English. If I make mistake, everyone will laugh. I thought like that. But sir told me, don't worry, don't hesitate, don't worry about mistakes are part of life. If you are making mistake, it means you are learning. So don't worry about that, you have to introduce yourself, sir told me. So I came here and I speak little bit English. And I had some fear, but I managed, however. Then day by day sir told me, come Ankita, speak. And I used to that stage, and I I spoke daily one topic. Day by day I improved how to speak, how to explain topic. I improved. So I would like to thank you, sir, because you taught me very calmly and patiently. You handle all class, and today is last day. So I will share you some tips how I learned English. I came here, sir taught English words. I practice. I wrote in a notebook, and when I went home, I practice it. I read it, and sir also told me, read English because it will improve your reading. So I used to read English paper, and I also bought moral story books. It helped me because. When I started to read moral story, I learnt some new words. So it helped me a lot. And I discussed with you all. I discussed with you. We practiced debate also. Debate class was very amazing. We practiced conversation. Sir also gave me conversation. I practiced a lot. And if you want to learn English, you have to do join spoken English class. You have to do work. If you do work, then you will improve in English. So you come spoken English class, Republic spoken English class, join here, and don't get any hesitation. If you come here, then you will definitely speak fluently, and definitely speak with people confidently. So you join spoken English class, practice whatever sir will teach. You practice at home, and read newspaper will improve our readings. So read newspaper, and talk with English. Don't think in Kannada or your mother tongue. Talk in English, think in English. If you go outside, you see one situation, think that in English in your mind, then you will fluent, then your tongue will fluent to speak. So think in English. So, and I feel very sad. I will miss you all. This is not finish here. It's starting to my new journey. So thank you one and all. Thank you, sir. Thank you one and all. I want to become a teacher. So I will take admission, B.Ed admission. I will join college. It will help me English because in B.Ed we have to teach. If we learn B.Ed, then I want to become a teacher. That's why I have to teach to students. It will help me to speak with the children, how handle them, how communicate with them. It will help. So I get confidence now. Now I can able to communicate with the children's people and thanks. So, right.
Okay. You may. Very well.